Okay, welcome to this video. Today's video is going to look at how you can download a free template for use with PowerPoint. Okay, we'll look at how to select a good template, and I'll show you several websites where you can go to get a free template. The first thing you need to do is come to Schoology and have a look at the page Useful Presentation Websites. On this page I have put some free PowerPoint templates for you to be able to download, and I'll be using those today and explaining how to download them. Alright, so let's start with Microsoft's website. Okay, Microsoft makes PowerPoint, and so of course they have quite a few free PowerPoint templates that you can download. You just need to come here, okay, and then put in a search of what you are looking for. Just a quick note, you can change the language. Okay, I've got it selected for English. You can change it to Japanese. Okay, so what are we looking for? It depends on the topic of your presentation. So let's say you're looking for two countries that you're going to compare. So let's just put in country. Okay, when you do country, it comes up with several different options. These do not all fit your theme. Okay, this would be good. World Country Report. This would be good. Okay, World Country Report. This wouldn't work because it's talking about a vacation. This wouldn't work. It's also talking about an itinerary. And this is looking at country and Western music, so that doesn't work either. But these two are not bad, so you could simply click on it, okay, and then download. Okay, so that's how you can download a video. That's how you can download a PowerPoint template from Microsoft website. Now when you download it, okay, you need to put it somewhere where you can find it easily. I would have a folder already labeled. You can call it whatever your project is. Okay, relabel the file and make sure you save it so that you can come back and find it easily later. Okay, that's now saving. Then just open it. It will open in PowerPoint. You can see I have downloaded one previously. That's your title slide. Okay, then you will have individual topic slides following that, space to add visuals or video, and there is actually no conclusion slide. Okay, for most presentations you would want to add a conclusion slide. You would probably want to add an overview slide as well, but this would be fine. You've got the title slide, okay, where you name your countries or country. Then you have your three topics where you compare your countries, for example, and then you have one more where you put your three questions. Now when you are selecting a slide, you need to think about these key points. Okay, does the slide that you want to select fit the topic that you are presenting on? Okay, and I'll show you another example in a moment of how some slides will be effective and others won't. You also want to make sure that the background is either all dark or all light. You don't want to mix the background because that makes it difficult for you to write your font in. You need to make sure that the fonts that you use are clear and easy to see. Okay, and you want to make sure that the background allows you to maximize the space of your PowerPoint slide. You don't want it to cut down on the space of your slide at all. These websites that I'm going to show you, okay, so the Microsoft website and 4 more, you don't need to register. You can just go to the website, search for your templates, and then download them. So the free PowerPoint template website Okay, this is one of the websites that I like. To find what you are looking for, just type in the country you're hunting for. Okay, you might be able to find it, you may not. Okay, so we'll put in Japan. You can see there are a few. You need to think which one is the most appropriate for your presentation. I'm going to try this one. Download. Okay, this is what each slide will look like. When I'm ready, if I can see this, then I can download it. Okay, download in progress. Okay, it is now downloaded for me. As I said before, make sure you save it. Oh, that's downloaded to my downloads, so I will put that into a folder where I can get it later. Okay, so it's in here. I need to open that now. You open it by clicking on the PPT. Okay, PowerPoint file type. That will now open up, and you see I have two slides in here. One is a title slide, and the other one is just a regular slide that goes inside your presentation. To make another slide, you just click duplicate. Okay, duplicate, and then you can just have more and more. Alright, so then you add your title, add your name, add other information, and then you have your other 4 slides. Make sure you save it wherever you are keeping all your material. So there's one more website. Okay, another website which is very good is the Presentation Magazine. Okay, Presentation Magazine, that's this one here. So if you click on this, it'll bring you to this page. Now the Presentation Magazine has a lot of free PowerPoint templates, but it also has a lot of other information about how to give presentations. Okay, so it's not just very good for giving you the template, it's also very good for teaching you how to do the presentation. So again, just put in your search term. Let's put in another search term. Let's say France. Okay, you want to compare France with another country or do a presentation on France. Do a search. And we have the French street postcard, the Eiffel Tower, that's kind of cool. Mont Saint-Michel, the map of France, okay, or the French flag. So any of those is fine. Let's say you want the map of France, you just simply click on it. It'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it will look like for you. You get this one and this one and this one, which are very cool. And then all you need to do is simply download, and it's the same as before. You download, you open it, and then you can use it. So that's the Presentation Magazine. Okay, finding a PowerPoint template through the Presentation Magazine. Another good one, All PPT. PPT actually stands for PowerPoint. So you click on here, and that'll bring you to this website. Now, what we want to do here is, again, let's try France. Just see how that works. Oh, there you go, the Eiffel Tower. You can view that one if you want. This is for travel. Now you'll see now it shows you what your slides would look like. I wouldn't personally use this slide. I think that the background is a little bit too dark. Okay, I know they're using light font and that it looks quite nice, but I think this slide background probably wouldn't be that clear. I tend to prefer slides which have got a lighter background. Okay, but that's actually not bad. Okay, let's have another quick hunt. How about we just put in a search term, travel. Okay, you can see there are some travel ones. Oh, that's a good one, Book of Travel. I quite like that one. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? Okay, so this is what it would look like. Okay, so it's white with a little bit of color at the sides. Doesn't take too much of your screen size. You can choose whether you want to have a wide screen presentation or a standard PowerPoint presentation. Click on that and it will download it for you. Okay, so that's the All PPT website. And then the final one for today anyway is PowerPoint Styles. This one, you'll see there are actually a few others. There's Pete's PowerPoint Station, there's SlideShare, and there's Smile templates. You can use those as well. For SlideShare, you will have to register. This one is a little bit simple, but let's have a look at PowerPoint Styles. Come in here, again, put in your search term. Okay, I've got country in there at the moment. These are quite nice. Okay, hand carrying the earth. That's quite good. Flash Earth PowerPoint template. So to download that, just click on it. Again, click download now. You shouldn't have to put anything in. Okay, it's got some alternatives, but let's download that one. Okay, thanks for your support. And it's asking where should we put this. I'm going to put it in visuals. Okay, and we'll just give it a title. Save. It's now downloaded it, and just like before, we can now open it. And there it is. Okay, so this would be your title slide, and then you have two options. Okay, this would probably be good for putting in visuals, and this would be good. That's way too much text, by the way, but this is also quite good. Okay, if you want to put in some words. Okay, so that's how to find a PowerPoint template. Okay, remember to find this information. It's inside the Schoology class page. Just go to useful links. All right, and there will be some other information in there as well on useful links for giving presentations. Okay, so we'll stop there now. Look out for another video I'm going to do, which will show you how to use your own pictures to create a PowerPoint background.